Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt using Instant Pot, full guide. First, pour 1 quart milk into the Instant Pot and heat to 180 degrees F using the yogurt or sauté function. Then cool it to 110 degrees F. Whisk in 2 tablespoons plain yogurt starter. Set the Instant Pot to yogurt mode and incubate for 8 hours. Then refrigerate for at least 4 hours before serving with your favorite toppings. Mix starter gently and keep the pot covered during incubation to maintain warmth and avoid contamination. For tangy yogurt, incubate 8 to 12 hours. Shorter time makes milder yogurt. If your Instant Pot has inconsistent heat, wrap it in a towel or use the oven's warm setting as a fallback. Always use a thermometer to confirm 110 degrees F before incubating and avoid stirring during incubation for better texture. Label jars and write the date. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a fun companion for timers and kitchen music. Check the description for the link and other deals that support the channel. Thanks for watching and for considering the recommendation. Please now let's get back to the video. To thicken yogurt, strain through cheesecloth for 1 to 2 hours for creamy Greek-style yogurt, or longer for spoonable firmness. Add vanilla, honey, or fruit after cooling to preserve culture integrity, and fold them in gently to keep texture. Store yogurt in airtight jars for up to 2 weeks, though quality is best within 7 days, and always keep at or below 40 degrees F in the refrigerator. Reheat only for cooking, not to revive cultures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.